Meanwhile, those who have already seen this cue card topic, you need to start preparing on this. Please start preparing on this and open your format that we did last time, speaking format. I'll give you the instruction, but meanwhile start looking for the format. Speaking. Am I expecting others to come? Yes or no? All right, fine. Uh, so please tell me one by one who all are present in the class. I think Kalapika is here, right? 18EL010.
Yes, ma'am.
That is Kalapika, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. That is 18EL010. Kalapika, may I know your full name, beta?
Kalapika Vageda.
All right. Next, 18ME023. Your name, please.
My name is Prakash Solanki.
Prakash Solanki. That is 18ME023. Prakash Solanki. Number 3. 18ME045.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name,
Devansh Chawda.
Devansh Chabra. Number 4. 18ME403.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name,
Dh- Dhruvang Rathod.
Dhruvang Rathod. Okay. Then 19CP307.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your name.
Roshni Vasawa.
Roshni. Then I have 18CP010.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name, beta.
Bhiti Parmar.
Okay. Vidhi Parmar. All right, fine. I have used 6. So I'll be taking your speaking one by one. If you can see on the screen, I think you're able to see it on the screen. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your Q card topic. So just to give you hint, in case of your examination, you'll be given 1 minute of the preparation. Have to speak for 2 minutes, right? So this is the scenario in case of your exam. Here I'm not asking you to prepare for 1 minute because the cases you have, this is the first time that you're doing, right? So I'm going to at least give you 5 minutes to prepare, but I'll be playing the timer of 2 minutes in which you have to speak, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, what I want you all to do is first you have to refer the format because I'm going to ask what you have remembered from the format. What are the things that you remember? Right? Agreed? Okay, so you're going to refer the format. Next step, the next thing you have to be ready is any of the topic. Either you do the first topic, you prepare on the first topic, or you prepare it on the second topic. It is completely your choice, but I want you to prepare on any of this topic, not on both, huh? Any one of the topic. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the task, and for completing this task, is it fine if I give you 10 minutes or 5 minutes? So 5 minutes to prepare and 5 minutes to referring the format. થઈ જશે?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So let's keep it to 10 minutes, 5 minutes to prepare over the topic, and next 5 minutes to refer the pre-freshers ka format, what we have learned in speaking. Okay. The next thing what I'm going to do is one by one, I'm going to call out your name. You have to unmute yourself. Okay, please do not hesitate that your classmates would be listening to you, because believe me that you're going and you're doing good in this, right? So please do not get demotivated or any such things. So I'll be calling out one name, you have to unmute yourself, and we'll start all the three phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So just make sure that you answer confidently, right? And don't worry, whatever you know you should answer, I'm there to guide you. Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think now the 10 minutes of preparation starts now. Go through your pre-freshers format first, and then also keep your cue card ready, please. Time starts now. Okay, you can see it on the screen as well. This is for your, do you want me to explain it once again? Everyone?
No, ma'am.
So do you want me to take a overview of it? कि आप लोग रेफर कर लोगे?
रेफर कर लेंगे.
Okay, fine. If anybody have any kind of doubt in the format before giving their speaking, please do ask. PDF I have opened it, I can explain you, don't worry. Okay. Students, anything that you want to ask?
Okay, the discussion is open for the weekend schedule only. I have weekend. It is not allowed for any other. But इसी वजह से they said कि we could have started it a day earlier, but then we didn't give an extra factor already. That will be all four sections. Generally, we release 2 modules each day for first week, and the last week is all four sections. So instead of because थोड़ा practice का ज़रूरत था and everything, so we are taking like giving you the whole test each day. So instead of just 10 tests, like you are taking almost 18 tests. So easy उसमें
Who is ready to start? Do I have any candidate who is prepared? Time is almost up. Okay, I need to pick. कहीं वांधो नहीं. So let me just take the attendance first. All right. Do I have Kalapika?
Yes, ma'am.
HEL010. Okay. So Kalapika will be starting with phase 1. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So you people already know about phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before Kalapika I start, can everybody participate and tell me that what is the time limit of speaking?
11 to 14 minutes.
11 to 14 minutes. And what would be asked in phase 1? Phase 1 is all about
Introduction of the
introduction round. Okay, so they are going to ask you semi personal questions on yourself. All these semi personal questions would be asked here. Okay, and those semi personal questions, मैं भी आपको जो questions पूछने वाली हूँ, it would be based on this. That is this semi personal question what I'm talking. Your name, hometown, qualification, currently what are you doing, hobbies, family, friends, goals and aim, philosophy of your life, likes and dislikes, strength and weaknesses. I'm going to stick to this question. If agar zarurat pade according to your answers, I might change my questions to more set of questions, right? What you need to take care in phase 1, how many minutes do you need to how many seconds do you need to speak? At least 20 to 25 seconds. Means whatever answer you're going to give me in phase 1, don't give in one word or one sentence. You have to speak your answers in at least 2 or 3 sentences. Please take care of those things. Okay, while speaking name, you people are doing it good. You have to speak my name is, or you can say I am. Do not speak myself. And in case of name, if I am going to ask any question, it would be related to this 4 questions, so you can prepare yourself in that way, right? By what name should I call you? What is the meaning of your name? Does this name suit to your personality, and who gave it to you? તો આજે આપણું પહેલું સેશન છે, એટલે હું આ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ વધારે પૂછીશ. ઓકે, hometownની કેસમાં if I ask that where do you live, you speak these points, right? You can also talk about the environment, you can talk about the entertainment, infrastructure, types of people, but kindly use these phrases to speak. Qualification is the next that I can ask to speak about the last qualification, but do not forget that you have to speak full form of it. Don't speak the short form of anything. Just remember this thing, okay? Okay, just a second. Think somebody is here. Okay, next, you all can see this. In In case of currently what are you doing, do not give me answers such as studying or working, or do not give me answer that I'm free. You can talk about studying, working or other activities. Hobby के case में do not give me list of hobbies. Whenever you speak about your hobby, everybody can see this PDF, right? Speak one or two but explain why. Okay. Family mein you're going to speak whether you live in joint family or nuclear family, how many members are there, profession of the parents, and you can talk about siblings. Friends mein these are the things to speak, so I can ask these questions right away. Make sure that you're prepared meanwhile. Goal and aim, philosophy of your life. Philosophy means list दी हुई है, you have to speak any one of them, but you have to also speak why do you believe in it. Likes and dislike I can ask on any of the category. You have to be prepared with this, but make sure you're talking on universal language. That means you cannot speak pav bhaji or every such thing. Do not speak those languages, ठीक है? Indian term नहीं use करना है, rather try to speak any of the term which is valid in English. Next, strength and weakness, so you have to be prepared with these points, right? Now, phase two is 3 to 4 minutes a cue card round where topic would be asked with the sub questions. So make sure I have already given you the topic and I have asked you to prepare on it. And 2 minutes, I'm going to play the timer. Make sure your content is about 2 minutes. जब तक 2 minutes नहीं होता, you have to speak. Okay? So we are going to give a first try on that. फेज थ्री में मेक श्योर यू स्पीक फॉर 35 to 40 seconds. सो फेज थ्री के आंसर्स थोड़े आपके ज़्यादा होंगे कंपेयरिंग टू फेज वन. तो यहाँ पे आपको 3 to 4 सेंटेंस बोलना है, राइट? यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब अ बिट मोर अबाउट व्हाट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड. जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा इट वुड बी बेस्ड ऑन जनरल ओपिनियन या रिकमेंडेशन के बेस्ड होगा, right? So just make sure that you are well prepared. Be spontaneous. Don't feel that I'm going to check your answers. Answers are not written here. Whatever you speak, it should be related to the question and I will accept it as an answer. Clear with this? So that's all I have to speak. If you have not heard my question, you can ask me to repeat, and if you don't understand the word, you can also ask me to tell you the meaning of that word, but make sure you're doing that once or twice. एक बार आपने बोलना चालू कर दिया है तो आपको याद रखना है कि आप बीच में रुक के मुझे नहीं कह सकते that kindly please repeat the question ma'am. So you cannot do that. Once you have already started speaking, you have already started giving your response, you have to continue with that. Clear everyone? So I've just given you a short brief about it, and we are going to start with the session now. I think 17ME034 have joined us today. What is your name?
Ritesh, ma'am.
Sorry, full name?
Ritesh Patel.
Okay. So, Ritesh, our topic જોઈ prepare કરી રાખ. I'll come and I will ask. So I have this line now. Ritesh Patel. Kalapika, let's begin with phase one. Please kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Could you please tell me your full name?
I'm Kalapika Vakela.
Okay. What I can call you?
You just can call me by Kalapika.
Okay,
By
you can call me by my first name, that is Kalapika. Okay. Kalapika, can you please tell me the meaning of your name?
Actually, I don't know, but my grandfather says that Kalapi means poet. So for a female, it goes like Kalapika.
Very good. What is your hobby?
Uh, in my spare time, I like to listen music and um, draw sketches. Music makes me feel relaxed and calm. So I feel
Hmm.
I feel calm and relaxed by the end of the day if I listen to music. And
Okay.
I
Which is your favorite musical instrument?
I like guitar. I haven't played it. I mean I want to learn how
Okay.
to play it, but yeah, guitar.
Okay, you can say, I'm just trying to add on this. You can say that my favorite musical instrument or the musical instrument that I would like to play is sitar. And it is one of the traditional musical instrument that is being known for the traditional musical instrument. And I have never played it. I have no knowledge how to play that instrument, but yes, in future, if I get a chance, I would like to learn that. Okay. If I talk about the transportation, which public transportation facility in your city do you use and why?
I use railway
Hmm.
because it is cheaper than bus and it is more convenient. It
Hmm.
um
Okay, more convenient, comfortable, and
yeah,
it is also economical for me.
for me, yeah.
Okay. Do you like to ride bicycle?
Yeah, I like to ride
Yes,
bicycle.
I like
Yes,
to ride
yes.
bicycle because
Because you can
I
have
can.
yeah I can have my legs work. Uh, I
Okay.
can I mean
If I ride a bicycle, it would help me to it would help me to increase my strength.
sense. Okay.
Okay, and this would also help me to maintain the physical fitness of my body, right?
Mm.
Okay. Uh, is there is any traffic rule that you do not obey?
I usually obey all the traffic rules.
Hmm.
I wear a helmet and I stop by red signal and
Okay, fine. Kalapika, it is good what you are answering. Okay, so yes, phase one, I think I have already corrected. So answers could be better. I'm not finding any of the grammar error that much. So answers could be better. It should be more fluent. तो आप fluency पे काम कर सकते हो in case of phase one. ठीक है?
oh, mhm.
Okay. Kalapika, you'll be having 2 minutes. I hope that you are ready with your topic. If you want to take a look, just take a look.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to play timer of 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
So you're going to try to speak on that. Let me see
Okay.
if I have it. Uh, just a second, huh? Give me a minute. Okay, I think. Just a second, huh, beta? I want you also to see the timer so that you're able to speak accordingly. Okay. Ready, Kalapika?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And Try to speak loud because I'll be writing all the points. I'm not going to interrupt you until and unless it is 2 minutes so that I can tell you your mistakes. ठीक है?
हाँ.
Okay, fine. And your time starts now.
Mobile plays a key role nowadays to communicate, mostly to schedule meetings, um, have corporate meetings all over the world. Most of the people cannot live without mobile these days. That is, they are very dependent on mobile for even very small things. Uh, when I was in I guess eighth standard, my mom gave me a phone which belonged to my brother. I got very excited and I used to show that phone to everyone around me, and I could not put it away for a few days. I felt very excited, even it was from my brother, I mean, second hand phone. I don't remember most of the features, but I can say the camera was of 4 to 5 megapixel and battery life was about 4 to 5 hours.
Continue.
I The phone had different colors of covers, so I used to change those colors. Those covers every day and show it off to my friends and neighbors and my family members.
Yes, what else?
I I When I got that mobile, I first made a Facebook account and connected with all my friends, and we used to chat at night. I mostly used it to call my friends when I used to go to tuition.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kalapika, the thing is, you have to take care that what I can say. Uh, you have content of 2 minutes, okay? But the thing is, वो आप बहुत अटक अटक के बोल रहे हो. The timer basically what I played is for overall speaking that I'm going to take. So ignore that one. But the timer is 2 minutes for you. And in 2 minutes, what you are able to do is first you have a good language and a good content. आपके पास shortage of content नहीं है. Right? तो आपके पास content है बोलने के लिए. But when you're speaking, you're taking lots of pauses. That means while speaking, you're thinking a lot. Don't think whatever points that you have prepared, make sure that you speak it continuously. And if you want to link from one point to another, you want a gap, you want a space or something that yes मुझे अभी कुछ सोचना है, any such things that you want to do, you can also use a linker in between that would at least give you certain seconds to think what you need to speak next. So you can say furthermore. I also remember that I was so excited after getting this phone that I couldn't wait for a single day and I tried to operate all the applications on the same phone at the same time. राइट सो ये थोड़ा सा स्पाइसअप्स आप ऐड करोगे और उसे कॉम्प्लेक्स करके बोलोगे ना दैट लैंग्वेज वुड लुक मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट वुड बी स्कोरिंग getting my point kalapika
Yes, ma'am.
okay and don't hesitate please be bold get that confidence in your voice okay
Oh,
your language is good kalapika you'll be able to do it. Hmm? So now, moving towards, as you said that you talked about your phone. Okay, do you think it is a good idea for parents to give phone or mobile phones to their children?
I think I think both ways. because if a child has a phone, parents can easily communicate to them. But when a child misuses it, I mean, a child not does not focus on studies and use
Hmm.
mobile all day, that will spoil the child, and so the parents must take care that what applications their children are using and for what purpose they are using, so that they can keep an eye on them and they can stop them if they are using it more.
Okay, fine. Uh, why do you think that youngsters plan to purchase most of the time? They like to purchase mobile phones or they like to purchase laptops?
Laptop usually is not used that much. I mean, uh, laptops are not used daily. If you have to give some presentation or you have some meeting, then only laptop is used. But mobile phone, you can. Uh, it is multi-purpose, so you can use it for so many purpose.
Okay. Uh, if I talk about the markets, would you agree to the point where it is said that nowadays market is flooded with electronical gadget?
Yes, I think the market is flooded with electronic gadgets. As there are so many gadgets itself in our own houses, like AC, TV, and there are so many smart gadgets that are evolving with very new ideas and to make one's life easier.
Okay. Uh, one question I have with everybody: do you want to make it a face-to-face video calling session? Will you all be comfortable or you want to do it from the next session? Kalapika, what is your
Yes,
case in that?
it is comfortable.
It is comfortable. Rest of you?
Next session.
Next
Ma'am,
session.
next to
Next
Next
session.
session.
Okay. So I think only Kalapika is one of the, she's comfortable. What about rest जिन्होंने अभी तक response नहीं किया है? Okay, तो कोई response नहीं. What about Ritesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritesh, you're comfortable giving video calling session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then 18ME045.
I'm from next session.
Okay, so I think only two from this. So let's take the majority, Kalapika and Ritesh. Now from next session, I'll make it video calling. And okay, if I propose it like this, कि तमे बदा exit करी दो, one by one I'll give you a request call once I finish it with Kalapika speaking, so we can have a video calling session. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
હવે શું છે પ્રકાશ દેવાંશ ધ્રુવાંગ હવે થશે?
ma'am, next section.
Okay, fine.
Next session, ma'am.
So next session, be ready for video calling. Okay. Fine. Kalapika, I'll continue with your next question. Now, I'll be questioning you regarding the festival. Do you think that if people celebrate festival, it creates lots of pollution?
No, I don't think festival creates pollution.
Okay.
If you celebrate at your home with
If
your
they
family,
celebrate, हमें
if
second
they,
person में नहीं बोलना है. If they celebrate,
they celebrate at their home, having lunch with their family and friends, and do not fire crackers, and so that will not make pollution.
okay, great. Why do you think some people like to help others?
Um, I think it makes them happy and
Hmm.
it makes them feel good to help others.
Okay. Phase 3, you have to speak little bit more. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I say, I can say that I feel that nowadays people have become, you can say, materialistic, but there are others who do not fall in this category. So materialistic means दिखाने वाली life होती है ना, just that you are happy in your own world like that. Now there are still many who possess a heart that beats for others, or you care for others. So you also find to help others in that way. So they help in many ways, such as donating clothes, providing basic materials such as pencils, erasers, colored books. Okay, and
Yes.
they also donate money at times. So it is not required that your answer is always fixed in one thing. You can also widen the horizon, speaking on different parameters or different factors related to the question, not out of the question.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next, first and the final question for you. Uh, which group of people generally need most support in community and why?
Uh, are you talking in um
Which group of people, which group of people generally need most support in the community and why?
I think that the group of people under the
Hmm.
poverty line
Very good.
need
Hmm.
more support than the rest of the people, because they don't have any source of income, and they are not preferable. I mean, they are not first preference at different jobs, and so uh, different schemes and different
Hmm.
uh,
Okay.
programs must be arranged.
They lack with the basic facilities, you can say. That's
Yeah.
why it is needed. Okay.
Yes.
Saru છે Kalapika. Overall for today, as it was the first day, but yes, overall a good attempt. So I'll give you 6 points for that. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kalapika, for your time. Please stay to listen others so that you can also learn from that.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Prakash.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good evening, Prakash.
Very good evening, ma'am.
Prakash, I would like to talk. Do you like to dance?
I like to dance, but ma'am,
Hmm.
I don't know how to dance.
Okay,
But
so in future, I would love to learn.
dance. I would love to learn dance.
Okay. Prakash, do you think that exercise can be in any form? And if yes, then what form of exercise would you like to do and why?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, I'm saying that what kind of exercise would you like to do and why? Yes. What exercise would you like to do?
Mm, I like to do gym,
Okay.
but in gym, in
In gym, there are various equipments.
there are various equipment and um,
It helps me to maintain my physical fitness.
it's help to maintain my physical fitness, and I like
And it also helps me to burn my calories. એ જ છે ને જીમનું મતલબ બીજું શું?
yes, ma'am.
રાઈટ? તો એમ ડોન્ટ ગેટ સ્કેર્ડ વાઇલ સ્પીકિંગ. હે ના? જેટલું આવડતું હોય એટલું બોલવાનું. ઓકે. Do you live in a joint family or a nuclear family?
I am living joint family,
Hmm.
and there are four members in my family, including me. My
Hmm.
father is in tea stall, and he is my hero. My mother is homemaker, and she is a loving and caring person. And I have a adorable younger sister. She is pursuing second year of bachelor's in arts.
Okay. Are you studying now?
Yes, I am pursuing my third year of engineering, mechanical engineering in BVM College,
Okay. BVM short form thyo beta. Full
Birla
form board.
Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya College.
Okay. Do you like to enjoy any of the indoor activities?
Yeah, I kill my
Yes.
time
Yes,
to
yes.
watching movies and
Hmm.
series
Okay.
because
What
I
kind?
like
Hmm.
because I like to watching movies and I learn new things from it, and it's my stress buster too.
Okay, you cannot say because I like watching. ING form nahi aave beta. I like
Okay,
to watch movies.
I like to watch
Ek-
movies.
Okay. What types of movies do you like to watch? Is it adventurous? Do you like to watch social movies or romantic?
I like every single of them.
I like all the forms
All the forms
because
of because every movies can teach us something,
teach me
teach me.
or I learn आएगा ना basically.
Yes, ma'am.
From every movie I can learn.
Uh, from every movie, I can learn new things.
Okay.
Like
Uh,
yesterday,
hmm.
I saw one series that name is Hayuko. Before that, I don't know about the volleyball and how to play and rules. But when I saw Hayuko, then after I know everything about volleyball, like who is libero, spiker, decoy, s, and every rule of volleyball.
Great. Which sports do you like and why?
Mm, I like cricket because
Hmm. I like cricket because
mm,
કેમ ક્રિકેટ ગમે છે તને?
I don't know, just like it.
You can say because it
I'm
has
sorry.
my favorite players such as Sachin Tendulkar. You can talk about Virat Kohli. They are the best captain. I get to learn to know how the teamwork is, what is unity. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is a team game, right? You have to work in team when you want to achieve success or you want to, score whatever it is,
So,
right? So you can talk on that. है ना?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you enjoy using computer? Yes. Do
Yes, I
you
enjoy.
enjoy? Huh?
Yes, I enjoy using computer. Most of I am
Hmm.
I play games on it.
Okay. Now, please take a look at your phase two Q card topics if you have prepared.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start it, ma'am?
Yes, if you want to start, you're ready with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let me play the exact timer for you basically so that I can show you the timer also. कल आप ही का के टाइम पे नहीं हो पाया था. Okay, you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the timer on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have 2 minutes to speak. Please go on. And also you can realize how much you are speaking. Start.
The country that I want to explore is Germany. Actually, some of my friends have been studying there. They told me a lot about life and culture in Germany. Germany is a Western Europe country with a landscape of forest, rivers, mountain ranges, and North Sea. Beaches. Germany is famous from engineering hub, and that's why I have to go Germany because my goal is to study for master in Germany. Germany have best universities of for engineering students, Technical University of
Hmm.
Munich,
Hmm.
Technical University of Berlin. According to REST statistics, Germany has the second highest number of engineering workers among all employees in the Europe.
Hmm.
In Germany, the Christmas market is very beautiful place to see. Germany also famous for law in order, cars and automobile.
Hmm. That's all.
That's all.
Okay. Now, I think you can see the timer and you can very well
Yes,
know
ma'am.
that आपके पास content कम था बेटा, ठीक है? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you have to take care from next time that your content should not be less. You should at
Yes,
least
ma'am.
try to speak. Okay? Whatever
Yes, ma'am.
happens, you can see that Germany is also famous with its scenic beauty. Any countries के state नु नाम ले ले that this is how it is famous and everything. Getting my point?
Yes.
So just make sure about it next time. Second, you can also talk about that how the study of Germany is. Their education system is also good. They give more of the practical training. है ना એ બધા વર્ડ્સ કે એ બધી વસ્તુ કહેવાય ક્લિયર થયું સો
Yes, ma'am.
તારો સ્ટાર્ટ બહુ સરસ હતો you know what you're speaking now I cannot actually see you people so I don't know how you're speaking eye contact બી necessary છે તો તમે વાંચતા હો ને તો એ ઓછું કરવાનું make sure that you do that and practice in that way okay but
Yes,
your
ma'am.
start was good keep it up moving towards phase 3 uh, do you think that nowadays people have started migrating to foreign countries? If yes, then what is the reason of this? Hmm? Are you able to listen to me, Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
There is lots of noise behind.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, please?
Okay, I'll repeat it for you. Why do you think that people are migrating to foreign countries?
Because foreign
Because
countries'
the answer
education,
चालू ना करे बेटा.
ma'am,
Because the
you
answer
tell
चालू ना
me
करे.
why.
It is my question to you. Why do you think? So you can say, I think that people
Yes.
have started. Okay? Hmm.
Yes, people are started to migrating. Uh,
Hmm. बोलो.
migrating other countries because their education is very good and
You can say people are started nahi aave. First of all, people have started migrating to other countries or opted to move to other country because of the lifestyle. Okay, the facilities that is provided in other
provided.
countries they don't find it in their own home country. The packages, the salary what they receive and the opportunities in job what they get is different from their home country. So to get a settled life they try or they tend to move to other countries. Okay, in search
Okay.
of jobs or home. Now, should subject like music or drawing be removed from the curriculum?
Ma'am, there is network problem, so can you please repeat?
Should subjects like music or drawing be removed from the curriculum?
No, because music is like some person is stress buster, and painting
Hmm.
uh, it's a art, so we can draw.
Hmm.
We can draw our own things in paper.
એને શું કહેવાય બેટા? ક્રિએટિવ કહેવાય ને?
Yes, ma'am.
Music and drawing will help a person if they get an opportunity to learn music and drawing. The person can improve their creative skills. And if anybody is interested to perceive this as their career, they'll be able to learn those skills and they'll be able to perform it practically.
Practically.
Okay. Phase 3 માં તો બહુ વાર લગાડું છું આન્સર કરતા, એટલી બધી વાર નહીં લગાડવાની, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think that education system of your country have changed in the past 10 years?
Yes, it's changed in past 10 years. Like like when I am in 10th,
How it has changed in past 10 years? What kind of changes you can see?
mm,
Okay. You can say education system did change in the past 10 years. Now due to modern technology, they have smart classes. There are computers on which students can work on presentation that can be shown to students by the
students.
teacher so that they can understand and have in-depth knowledge about the topic or the subject that they are studying. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
બધા જ મેં આન્સર કર્યા છે.
I'm
Prakash,
sorry.
this is the last one that you have to answer. I'm not going to answer. This is not my speaking, right? Okay.
Sorry.
Uh, should there be a limit to the amount of homework that is given to children? Do you think there should be a limit to the amount of homework that is given to
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Uh, yes, because teachers yes, because students are very tired from school, and then after they come to home and start studying, so it's not good for them. And
Okay. Prakash, I won't be able to answer this. You can prepare accordingly. Okay?
okay, yes,
So,
ma'am.
Prakash, I'm sorry, but for now, just to motivate you, I'm giving you 5 bands because you're speaking completely less. You're not giving me chance to score you more. So if you continue speaking like this ना, वो 5 band से नीचे नीचे होता जाएगा. हमें ग्राफ ऊपर करना है प्रकाश. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prakash. Now you
Thank
can
you, ma'am.
stay and listen to others so that you can also have an idea about it. Now, can I talk to Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Devansh, ready for your speaking, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Uh, could you please tell me your full name?
Devansh Nitin Kumar Chawda.
Okay, Devansh, do you have, can you talk something about your friend?
I have many friends. I don't like to keep friends like short circle, as I have large number of friends, and You will be surprised that uh, in currently in our group we almost talk about 3 to 4 hours, and also there are lots of messages. Like if we are away from the group for just
Okay.
5 minutes, there are more than 500 to 600 messages. I don't know what they do, but I have very good friend circle, and all are supporting to me. Uh,
દેવાંશ બેટા phase 1 2 or 3 sentence આપણે ક્યુ
okay,
કટ નથી બોલતા ભૂલી ગયો short circle ના કહેવાય. I don't have a small group of friends as I am very extrovert person. I have more number of friends in my life in which I like to always spend time with them and create a strong bond with them. પતી ગયું.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. uh, do you like to celebrate your birthday?
No, I don't like to celebrate my birthday because it is just unnecessary cost,
Okay.
unnecessary use of money.
Okay, and I like to save it so that I can use it in my
Yeah,
near future.
yeah,
Better? Okay. Are there any special activities that you like to do in your free time?
yeah. In my leisure time, I would like to browse on my Instagram and Twitter and keep
Hmm.
update on the current affairs.
Okay. Which website do you like to browse?
In any news, any news website
Okay. What section of the news do you like to read?
about politics.
Okay. What do you like about the politics?
What's currently going in our nation, and also some of world politics,
Okay.
about the elections and all that stuff.
If given a chance, would you like to join politics?
Yes, if I'm staying
Hmm.
here in India, I will definitely join the politics.
Why?
Um, as a when I was in eighth or seventh, I always listened to the news. There was a
Hmm. Devansh, you can
there
hear
was a speech
simply
given
say.
by Arvind Kejriwal that he told that every youth must be connected to politics, and some of them may also join the politics, which will be better for our nation, development of our nation.
ओके राइट कोई बात नहीं अच्छा था आपका फेज वन ओके जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग लेंदी आंसर्स इन दैट राइट देवांश but you're clear, you have a clear thought of want what to speak and where to speak, right? So are you ready with your phase 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you want to take a look at it? Okay, so I'm giving you 2 minutes, you can see that on your screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, you may now start.
So in all my life, I have always dreamed about visiting USA, United States of America. It was discovered by Columbus. America is one of the large country in the entire world, and also the most developed country. It is a top most leading country in the world with modern facilities for their citizens. They are always uh, they are always front in every sector, which can be automobile, telecommunications, everything. The climate inside the country also varies from its geographical variety. Also, the most attractive thing of USA is that they have very strong and long lasting infrastructures and roads. That is why it is very developed country. To be frank, I want to visit America as this is the most developed country in the world, and also to experience the living style of the people, the skyscrapers, the beautiful landscape, beaches. Uh, they have everything. The most thing that I want to visit is the famous places in America, which is Manhattan, Colorado, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and the beautiful Hawaii Islands, which are situated in the southwest of South America.
Hmm.
Like America, also I want to settle in America uh, in my future because one thing that I like of America is their passport is valid for almost most of the countries in the world. So I can visit another countries if I get.
Okay,
A,
you can stop. Uh, Devansh, a good start. You used many vocabularies related to the country, so good on that part. Try to use a complex sentence, Devansh. It was looking like that it was just a sentence, that it was this, America was this, and it is this. There might be more complex sentence that you can use. So America, such it is a kind of place where people live such kind of lifestyle. ऐसे कुछ एक sentence आ सकता था. तो you're going to show your grammatical range over there, right? Then there was this sentence that you used, climate inside the country. It's better to speak climate of the country is. You're
okay,
getting my
ma'am.
point? Okay. And you said to experience living style नहीं होता बेटा, वो lifestyle होता है. ठीक है. So please take care on those things. Hmm? Now I'll be moving towards phase 3 for you. Okay. So if I talk about the country, do you feel that the developed countries should try to help underdeveloped countries? And if yes, then in what manner they should help?
Definitely, developed countries must help developing countries in terms of giving loans,
Hmm.
helping them in making infrastructures like they can they can participate or be the shareholder of the infrastructure, or some of the companies can send uh, like Japan, they are sending bullet trains to India also, like that they can do.
Okay. Now I'll be talking on purchase or style, clothing style. Okay. Are branded clothes always better?
No, ma'am, branded clothes are not always better because they are earning the money in the name of brand. Simply the cloth, the branded company use, and also the localities use are almost the same.
Hmm.
It's just a wastage of money, nothing
Okay.
else.
Uh, how do seasonal changes affect the clothing style of people? How do you feel the changes in season or weather affect the clothing style of people?
Yes, yes, season do affect our clothing style.
Hmm.
Uh, like in summer, we wear cotton clothes, which are good for our skin, and also it will help to reduce the heat.
Hmm.
Like we cannot wear woolen clothes in summer because
Hmm.
they will give us warmth, which is already there in the atmosphere.
Okay. Uh, is following a fashionable image a waste of money?
Yes, wearing a fashionable outfit is also a waste of money because we can see we can see that billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, they have lots of money, but they do not tend to wear brand clothes. Not even I have never seen them wearing in suit. Only in some of the places they wear suit. Also,
Hmm. That's all.
Also, Steve Jobs. Have you seen that Steve Jobs uh, doesn't even wear a suit when he is giving a presentation over a new
He
product?
simply wears, you can say, the formal clothes, that is a pair of shirt and pant. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, you can end your answer always. Hmm.
Okay.
Uh, do you feel that traditional style of clothing is more important than the international style which is seen nowadays?
Yes, traditional clothes are uh relax, meant to be
Hmm.
meant to be providing more relaxation than the Western outfits. Also it represents our culture.
Hmm. So it should be useful that people should prefer to wear traditional clothes more than the Western one. Can that be ended? Okay.
Okay.
Overall, your speaking is good. I would again score you 6 bands for that. Just make sure that you do not hesitate. Be prepared and spontaneous with your answers. Okay, Devansh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, and please wait for others to speak. Dhruvang?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruvang. I hope you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruvang, could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Dhruang Ramesh Rathod.
Okay. Dhruvang, which is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter
Hmm. Why?
because
Hmm. Because it is a season in which I can plan trips with my friends and family.
yes,
I can go out and enjoy the pleasant weather. Okay, that can be said. Okay, do you
yes.
work or are you a student?
I am a student. I am a student, ma'am. I
Okay,
am pursuing my third year of mechanical engineering at Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya College
okay. Why have you selected this course?
because I am interested in machining parts and
Hmm.
stuff.
Okay, what is the most difficult thing about the study that you face and why?
And can you repeat this question?
What is the difficult thing about the study that you face and why?
The main difficulty I faced is the language.
Hmm.
Language
Due to which I am not able to understand most of the things whenever I study or I refer my books.
books.
ओके ध्रुवंग
Yes.
कोई भी चीज कोई भी सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है ठीक है डिड यू
Okay.
चूज दिस कोर्स ऑन योर ओन और डिड यू और योर पेरेंट्स एंड relatives guided you?
No, ma'am. I choose this course
On my own because
on my own. On my own because I am interested in ma- machining or cars.
okay, a repetition, thank you. From childhood I am playing with cars and that's how I started developing interest over this and I tried to choose this or I opted to choose this course. खबर पड़ी? तो
Okay.
सेम वस्तु रिपीट नहीं करवाना. ओके
Okay.
फाइन. If I talk about traveling, where do you like to travel and why?
I like to travel mountain regions
Hmm.
because it is very adventurous
Hmm.
and it is
Have you ever got a chance to travel abroad?
no, ma'am.
ઓકે એક વર્ડમાં તમે આન્સર કરો છો ધ્રુવાંગ. I want you to speak in sentences. No, I haven't got a chance to travel abroad, but in case if in future, coming future, I get a chance, I would definitely try to travel abroad and specifically this country that I would like to travel. ખબર પડી? એટલે
Okay.
content આપણે જ add કરવાનું છે ધ્રુવંગ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm giving you 2 minutes ka time. Are you done with your are you done with the preparation of your cue card?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can now start speak. Please start.
The country I want to visit is called Nepal. It is famously known as the daughter of the mountains or the daughter of Himalaya. This is small South Asian country is landlocked between India and China. Being home to eight of the world's tallest mountains, including the Mount Everest, Nepal attracts hundreds of thousands of tourists every year from around the world. After arriving in the Nepal, first I want to travel around the beautiful capital city of Kathmandu in order to mingle with them and learn about their lifestyle and culture. I also want to explore the Kathmandu valleys, which is comprised of the three ancient cities, including Kathmandu, Patan, and Bhaktapura. I am planning to spend about 7 days in Nepal, while also trying some of their most delicious local foods and clothes.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think first of all the content is less. Second, you started very late. You have to work on the fluency part. You have to speak continuously. You should not wait while speaking. Okay? What
Okay, ma'am.
how much ever you spoke it well. But again, short content means you're not able to speak much of the language for which you're going to get scored. Hannah, so just
Yes.
make sure that you try to speak more. Now, talking about the follow-up questions, that is the questions regarding phase 3. So, if I talk about countries, which countries is famous that youngsters would mostly like to visit and why that is famous?
Mm.
Yes, which country is famous among the people of your country and why?
The
Hmm.
country I think the famous among the youngsters is Australia
Hmm.
because of its
Hmm.
beaches and
Hmm. Okay, who is more important, family or friends?
both are more important.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yes, both are more important. Why? ધ્રુવાંગ બોલવું પડશે બેટા. હા, why both are important? One is important because you learn culture, traditions, and uh, as many aspects of you know different skills or life skills you learn from them. And friends are very supportive. Many things that which you cannot share with your family, you are able to share with your friends. મને કેમ એવું લાગે છે કે આ મારી સ્પીકિંગ ચાલી રહી છે આજે? એવું નથી ને ધ્રુવાંગ?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Which do you think is a better place to live, apartment or house? Which do you think is a better place to live, apartment or house?
I think a house is a best for live living
Why?
because it is
Okay. Uh, do you think that government should provide accommodation to homeless?
ma'am, can you say the meaning of accommodation?
Accommodation means house, shelter.
Yes, I think government should accommodate the
Government should provide. Okay. What are the disadvantages of living in apartment? Nothing. ધ્રુવાંગ, તમારી
yes
પાસે
ma'am.
બુક ના હોય કશું જ ના હોય તો ઓનલાઈન બધું અવેલેબલ છે બેટા. દરેક સ્પીકિંગમાં તો I cannot answer. At least
Yes ma'am.
initiative should be from your side, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. કઈ વાંધો નહીં અત્યાર માટે. Dhruvang, I won't be providing you any bands for today. Okay, I need the improvement for you to get five or six whatever bands you require. Till phase 2 it is fine, but on the basis of two phases I cannot give you bands. Phase 3 માં બોલવું જ પડે. તમે ના બોલશો તો મારાથી bands ના અપાય. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
ચાલશે? Fair enough? Okay?
Yes.
Mm. So I'm just noting it that you spoke only for phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 3 you did not continue. So, right? Now, Roshni, and Roshni, please be ready. Within a minute, I'll start with you. Just excuse me, like for 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, be ready, Roshni. But Roshni, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Uh, could you please tell me your full name?
Roshni Kiranbhai Vasava.
Okay. Roshni, if I talk about the food, do you like to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to cook.
What do you like to cook and why?
Um, Almost everything. Gujarati thali style.
I love to cook my regional dish or traditional dish, you can say. Okay, what type of food do you like to eat?
Uh, I like to eat South Indians, then Gujarati, then Punjabis.
Roshni, I love to eat Punjabi or my traditional dish, or you can say Gujarati dish, or you can say Chinese cuisine. Why do you like to eat?
Because of
Roshni, there is a problem with the connection or something?
no, ma'am.
Yes. Continue. Why do you like to eat those food?
I have no idea.
Okay. Uh, do you prefer to eat home cooked food or food from restaurant?
Home cooked.
Roshni, I'm not able to listen your voice at all. There are lots of disturbance, beta. Is it with the connection issue?
I'm audible now.
Yes, that is much. This is much better. Yes. Do you prefer to eat home cooked food or food from restaurant?
Uh, I would like to prefer a home cook
Why?
because home cook are more healthy than restaurant or it is the more of a,
Okay. Do you like to read books?
yeah sometimes
Okay. Why?
uh, read sometimes ma'am I would like to read a books because of for my mind fresh or
Okay, fine. The thing is, Roshni, if you won't be able to speak, I won't be able to speak for you. I can just assist you, guide you that this is what you can add, this is what you have to work on. But make sure that next time I don't need to ask why so much. You have to justify your answer. So, phase one, make sure that you read something where you learn how to justify it. Okay?
okay okay
Okay.
ma'am.
Roshni, now you can start with your cue card. Are you prepared with that?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, great. Please start.
Uh, so how mobile phone changed my life? First, technologies are the most important part of our daily life that cannot be possible without mobile phones. I still remember when I completed my 10th board exam and I was qualified with a good score. Then my father and mother has gifted me my first mobile smartphone. It was Samsung J2 smartphone with good internet and camera facility, along with many other advanced features. Uh, it was very beneficial for me as a I constant touch with my family and friends through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and all all the time, and I can share anything with their any I can share anything with them anytime. It was a great experience through like watching videos or listening to music and playing games in mobile phones. Along with this, I can also use it in online study.
and it was useful in this corona situation. Many of us are not many of us are not have a laptop, so they can use a phone. As a technology can change this time very much, so mobile phones are useful in online study, online shopping, payments, and all these things. So mobile phones change our life.
Okay, first of all, it was not our life, beta. It was on you, so it changed my life.
Okay.
आपने बोला है कंटेंट सही है, कोई बात नहीं, वेरी गुड. But just take care that you don't speak incomplete sentences. One of the example I'm giving you, you said I constant touch with friends and family. I am in constant touch. I am Ave. Constant
Okay.
touch with my friends and family. You have to be very precise of this with this sentence. It cannot be in small like short forms.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting it? તો એક complete sentence બોલવાનું આપણે. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So તમે બધા બોલ્યા બરાબર છે. Try to use some of the complex sentences also. Simple sentence માં ના બોલશો so that તમને grammatical range માં બી bands મળે. બરાબર છે?
Ah,
Okay. Now talking about phase 3. Do you think that your hometown has changed?
uh, hometowns, yeah, ma'am, change. It's a lot of changes in this.
There are a lot of changes in my town, such as
Uh, Such as
hmm,
the
earlier there was less facilities for the entertainment such as garden and parks. હું ચેક કરવા નથી આવવાની, પણ તમારે કન્ટેન્ટ તો ડિલિવર કરવું પડશે ને. પ્લીઝ સ્પીક.
uh, earlier there are less facilities comparing to this time. Uh, then even the city roads are also the roads are,
ઓકે, વાંચજો, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Are there any problems faced by the people of your town?
no, ma'am, no.
હા, then say no, there is no such problem. There are good enough amenities or facilities. Speak. Phase 3 માં એક word ચાલે આન્સરમાં? નહીં ચાલે ને રોશની? હા, then
Uh,
speak.
uh,
All right. Is there anything you want to change in your hometown?
um,
Yes, is there is anything that you want to change in your hometown?
yes, ma'am, but
Roshni, what kind of changes you want, beta, in hometown? Do you think I'm going to check?
no.
हाँ, then કેમ નહીં બોલતા આપણે? Hmm? Speak what
Ma'am,
kind of changes you want in your hometown.
there are roads, then water facility, then water facility, then traffic is also traffic problem is also there. Then vehicle parking.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, fine. Uh, is your hometown a good place for youngsters?
Yeah, ma'am. Vadodara is the best place.
Hmm?
Yes,
My
ma'am. It is a
hometown is a good place.
good place for youngsters
Why?
because of education and
Hmm?
education and along with this there are many facilities they provide to us.
Hmm?
like
What else?
um,
Okay, fine. कई वांदो नहीं. So, Roshni, phase 3 was not answered completely and properly.
yes, ma'am.
So, again, same decision from my side that I'm not going to provide you bands. You need to speak some or the other thing, beta. You just
Okay.
spoke your phase 2 very well comparing to phase 1 and phase 3. So, incomplete task, right? Next.
Huh.
Thank you so much, Roshni, for your time. Riddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Riddhi, could you please tell me your full name?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Viti Parmar.
Okay. Sorry, huh? I thought it is Riddhi. So, Vidhi, what success means to you?
Yeah, ma'am. Success means to achieve aim
Hmm.
or goal, but it also it also means that to be happy.
Okay. Uh, how often do you meet your relatives?
I usually meet them in
Hmm.
in 2 to 3 times at 2 or 3 months,
Hmm.
as as I
Hmm.
they are not in the same city. So, and for as I'm living in hostel, so at that where I'm go to home, I meet them.
Okay, fine. Uh, do you obey your parents?
Yes, ma'am. I obey my parents because what they are saying is for my good. So I always obey them.
I always obeys me. I always
Always
obey them.
obey them.
Okay, fine. Um, what have you learned from your grandparents?
I learned from my grandparents is that to uh,
Hmm.
to leave everyone with leave
Hmm.
everyone with politeness and speak everyone with
Hmm. Yes, speak.
don't speak rudely to someone.
Okay, fine. Which sports do you like to play and why?
Yeah, I like to play badminton and sometimes I play it because I find it
Hmm.
I
I find.
find it enjoyable, so I play it sometimes.
Okay, fine. Uh, do you believe parents are best teachers?
Yes, ma'am. Parents are best teachers, but in some because they have more knowledge of the world, but some cases uh, in some cases it it has good part
Hmm.
of having another teachers.
Okay, fine. कोई वांदो नहीं. Now you have 2 minutes to speak over your topic. Are you ready with your topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start.
uh,
Start.
Technology has changed our lives to a great extent and become an important part of our lives. Today, I found myself surrounded by technology in every
Hmm.
direction.
Hmm.
One such a gift of technology is the mobile phone, with the primary functions like calling people, and sending text messages. There are many other features too. Mobile phones keep everyone connected. Uh, I still remember when I was 16, my parents gifted it to me. It was a Oppo A3. S phone. It has a dual camera with 13 pixel and and many other features. It
Hmm.
was it has a good internet connectivity. I still remember I was extremely happy and start using it. It was beneficial as I need it for my solo travel and time spent away from home. From
Hmm.
that, I could be in touch during travels to my parents and also with my friends. It has good experience to streaming through videos, listening music, taking pictures, talking with friends, facilities of video calling that keep connected that keeps connected me with my friends and families.
Hmm. पति क्यों
Yes, ma'am.
छेल्ला सेकंड्स रह गया बोलवाना right.
Yes, ma'am.
So Vidhi, you have to take care again. You have a content to speak પર થોડું સેન્ટેન્સમાં થોડું સેન્ટેન્સમાં એરર આવે છે કોમ્પ્લેક્સ થઈ શકે છે. You can say it keeps me connected. It helps me to keep myself connected with my friends and family. એવી રીતે આવી શકે છે.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please, you have to just take care on those things. Rest is fine. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
moving towards phase 3, is it important part of your culture to have dinner parties?
Yes, ma'am. Because through dinner parties, it is an important part of culture because through dinner
Hmm.
parties, we uh, dinner parties we have chance to explore what is going and meet new people.
Okay, dinner parties आपने 3 बार repeat किया to complete, so you need a push to complete your whole sentence. ऐसा नहीं करना है बेटा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can simply say na that dinner party is very essential part of our celebration. You can say it is a traditional way of conducting feast all together so that people can spend time with each other or they can spend time with each other, quality of time with each other. ये भी हो सकता है एक part of the phrase, right?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you organize parties very frequently?
I'm not organized party frequently because as of I am a student and I live in hostel, so it's not
Hmm. Okay. Do parents willingly allow their teenage children to go to parties in your country?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Do parents willingly allow their teenage children to go to parties?
In my opinion, some parents allow where wherein some parents are not willingly allow their children because they are afraid of what type of environment it is and what kind of activity their children going to do.
Okay. What do you like to attend parties?
Yeah, I like to attend
Yes, I
big
like to attend parties.
parties because it it provides chance to make new friends, meet old one friends, and exploring new things. So I like to attend.
Okay, fine. If I talk about language, what are the advantages and disadvantages of learning foreign language?
There is advantages of learning foreign languages. Use from learning foreign languages, you
Okay, that's all, Vidhi.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you responded little. Yes, for that I can give you score. ऐसा नहीं है बट कंप्लीट रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया है बट आपने ब्लैंक भी नहीं रखा है कोई भी क्वेश्चन को राइट सो फॉर नाउ आई कैन स्कोर यू 5 पॉइंट्स विद
Yes, ma'am.
सो फेज 1 और फेज 3 आपका बेटर हो सकता है So phase one and phase two, you just have to organize your content and speak it fluently, spontaneously. Make sure that you do that from next time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Vidhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ritesh, yes, welcome. Ritesh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Ritesh, can I know your full name?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. My name is Ritesh Patel.
Okay. Ritesh, do you like to plan your day in a diary?
No, actually, no, ma'am. I
Hmm.
haven't planned because it's not successful every time.
Okay. Can you say that you would like to learn to plan your day?
Yes. Uh, yes, uh, I like to say a plan is for good for our time management.
Okay. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise regularly at gym
Why?
because I like to whenever I am stressed and I release my pain. I'm go to gym and I meet my friends and I am and doing with exercise with my friends and release my pains and also I gain my bodies.
Okay. Uh, do you have any English speaking friends?
No, no, ma'am.
Why?
Because whenever I live where I live in when I live in city in surrounded I am only not in our.
You can say that in my area or locality,
Mhm.
and
Yes,
wherever
ma'am.
I have completed my when I have completed my schooling and I have started my you can say higher secondary education, I did not find any friend who speaks English like
Yeah.
that.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes I like shopping
Hmm?
because of
Continue.
sometimes I like shopping because of is a best time to something new, new shop for something and new shop for me and as and use for change ourselves
Okay, fine. uh Change for myself, ourself नहीं होगा
myself
because you are speaking for
myself.
yourself.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. uh which place would you like to visit in your hometown and why?
uh, in Nausari, I come from Nausari is famous for Dandi. When Mahatma Gandhi is when Mahatma Gandhi is come for a salt march. It's the best place for.
Okay, fine. Are you ready with your phase two? Phase one, you have to just take care of the grammar and the coherence part. Coherence means बहुत अटक अटक के आप बोल रहे हो. Just make sure that you'll be little kind of fluent when you're speaking. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So आपको
Yes, ma'am.
एक ही stretch में बोलना है phase one में. And don't be so unsure in your first sentence itself. Right? Please start with your cue card now. Start.
Mobile is one of the small device using for small as well as long conversation. When you are away from your partners or family, it's best for connect your feelings and bonds. If you are proposed to someone, you don't tell her and directly eye contact. You can write a short messages and small calls in addition to it use like search for something new you find you find such a location where you lost you google it and find
Hmm.
a location and also you something new learn about cookings
Hmm.
varieties of cookings and mobiles is available for different look like a single camera dual camera and also some features are available in mobile and use it and but in lockdown mobile is a good as well as for bad for all us because of using 7 to 8 hours mobile is some burdening, and also losing some eye vision. And the mobile have a two side, good as well as bad. It depends on you how to use and how how to learn from mobile, and also you spoil over your mind. That's not
That's
done,
all.
man. Mm.
Again, the content is less. I think there are grammar errors that you're making, Ritesh. Okay. So you can say that, I don't know, you said some eye problems related stuff like medical thing. So you have to just take care that when you're speaking, you should not make such grammar errors. આરામથી બોલો, કઈ ઉતાવળ નથી બોલવામાં. But just make sure that your sentences are clear. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. And just make sure that you note of it, like note करके रखना कि आपको grammar पे improve करना है, because phase 2 માં તમે સળંગ બોલો છો રીતેશ. So make sure કે તમે
Yeah.
grammar નું ખ્યાલ રાખો ને તો એટલું બધું error ના દેખાય. Sentence માં જ error છે, so I won't be able to note every sentences of error in grammar, right? But it should sound like a complete sentence when you speak. Moving towards phase 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, huh? Why do you think sports are important?
Because increase increase the creativity, and also improve your strength.
Okay. Do you think this is enough for your phase 3 to answer?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you think this answer is enough in phase 3 when you where you have to speak 3 to 4 sentences?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please try again. Why do you think sports is important?
Sport is important in our life because of the and
Sports is important for everyone because
different.
our life એટલે આપણા બેની લાઈફની વાત નહીં ચાલતી બેટા. મેં આટલા બધા સ્પીકિંગમાં બધાને ગાઈડ કર્યું, તમે ભૂલી ગયા?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
હા. Sports is important because
Because it's improve your uh,
again, because it improves
because
health
it improves strength, strength.
and
And
health, and it is a good way to socialize and make friends.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, for example, I like to play cricket, so I always try to play with my family or friends so that I can also create a strong bond with them. Okay, do you think famous sports person can be a good role model for children?
No, we have no, ma'am, because I don't interested in sport.
As I
Because
have hmm,
I like
I like only.
only play. I like only indoor activities like a chess, carom boards, etc.
Okay, what kind of indoor activities are famous in your country among the youngsters?
Chess. In our country, chess and chess.
Our country ફરી મારું ના હોય તો શું કરવાનું? In my country.
In my
Hmm.
country, chess is a famous. Chess. So caroms.
બહુ disturbance છે બેટા પાછળ. Okay, what is the importance of friends in life?
2 minutes, ma'am. 2 minutes. Yes, yes, ma'am. Hello.
Okay, I'm asking that what is the importance of friends in life?
In my life, friends are important to friends are important because of the uh, friends. I share my feelings.
Hmm.
I share my feelings, and he come. I'm any trouble. I'm in every any situation. I trouble. I share my feelings I share my feelings to us. Share my feelings from to
With them,
friend.
share my
With
feelings એમાં
them.
4 વાર બોલી ગયા આપણે. પછી
Yes. With them
હમ
and any solution will be provided by
okay. Have you ever purchased anything online?
yeah. I purchase earphone from Amazon.
Okay. Why? And how was the
Uh,
experience?
because of the in online shopping is a best is a reduce cost and also in reduce cost in compared than in reduce costs compared to in shops and shops and also is a bet and in my experience earphone.
Are you happy with your last answer, Vita? Hello? Yes, Ritesh. Do you feel that your last answer was perfect? You could have said that I feel that whenever I do online shopping, I save my time because it will get delivered any which ways and I get number of varieties. Okay, various options from different brands. I just need to select, and also there are certain benefits of offer that they provide. Getting it? એટલું explain કરવાનું હોય, અડધું બોલીને છોડી નહીં દેવાનું. Okay, but at least you attempted to speak from phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. એ સારું હતું. Yes, but I'll be also scoring you 5 bands because grammar error ના લીધે. And second, try to speak completely. અડધું અડધું ના બોલશો. Okay,
Okay.
Ritesh?
Okay.
Okay. So here I think everybody is done with their speaking session, and tomorrow we'll be having listening and writing task too. All right. So just make sure that you come tomorrow, and I'll be just posting it today what listening I'm going to take in the group. Okay. So please be ready with the brainstorming of your writing task too and listening. Okay. Thank you all. Any doubt, anything that you want to ask?
Ma'am, hello ma'am.
Huh?
મેમ તમે જે ગ્રામેટિકલ એરર્સ કીધી તેને ઇમ્પ્રૂવ કરવું હોય તો શું કરવું?
ગ્રામરમાં ટેન્સીસ ચાલુ કરી દે. Grammar types of tenses, because in that you have a sentence structure. Okay.
ઓકે ઓકે.
All right. Any other thing that you all want to ask? All right then. Thank you so much. I'll
Thank you,
take a
ma'am.
leave. You're welcome, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.